Hi guys, my name is Faisal. You are watching Technology in the Future. So here is the massive leak. Xiaomi Mi Ultra in all its glory with a huge 120x camera and a pocket second screen. The smartphone is shown in two colors from all sides and even when it was powered on. Xiaomi has not yet presented the big brothers of its bestseller Xiaomi Mi 11. However, information about the models Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro and Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra continues to collect on the network. This time rather detailed information of the Xiaomi Mi Ultra from different angles has become public knowledge. Xiaomi is trying to introduce Mi 11 that has got a moniker Ultra at the end. In last year, this company has introduced the Mi 11 smartphone, and rumors have been circulating for some time about more phones from the Mi 11 series will arrive. Now the time comes the upcoming device will be called Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. The chipset that is going to power the upcoming smartphone will be Snapdragon 888 SoC. This is a powerful chipset that handsomely handles all the specs of upper-class smartphones. The available data was originally published on the Tech Buff channel, but the content was removed instantly. However, nothing disappears on the network without a trace. The lover managed to take screenshots and upload the content on the other side. Then the smartphone is shown in two colors option, black and white, in detail and even when switched on. Of course, the huge block of the main camera is streaking. In the blog, we see three models for shooting including one periscope, an inscription 120x ultra pixel all camera, a module with a triple LED flash and even a small extra screen. The white and black version are slightly different. Apparently, the black version is a prototype because instead of the ultra pixel marketing inscription, we see a more technical mark of 12 by 120 mm, 1 by 1.95 by 4.1 on the camera. The smartphone works with MIUI 12.5 installed. Experts from the mobile developer community XDA developers have confirmed that this is a true global version of MIUI 12.5. According to the source, the camera contains the main module with a resolution of 50 megapixels, a periscope telephoto and a wide-angle module both at 48 megapixels. As for other characteristics of the smartphone, the following parameters are mentioned in the review. Mi 11 Ultra receives a 6.8-inch OLED screen with curved edges on all four sides, WQHD plus resolution and an adaptive image refresh rate of 120 Hz, an embedded single 20 megapixel front camera, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, SoC Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, protection from water and dust IP68, a 5000 mAh battery with support for 67-watt charging and wireless charging of other 10-watt device. Harman Kardon speakers. Earlier, it was reported that the debut of Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro and Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra can be expected in April-May 2021, and it will expectedly cost around $1,000. Connected for more updates, please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon button. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.